Give us a final thought around this is an opportunity in this moment to what?
Man. So, the truth is that I hear myself sitting here and I've got my lights on me and we're hanging out on Joe's Wisdom Wednesday and I can hear myself sound like I've got it figured out, and the truth is that I have just the same levels of ups and downs as I'm sure anybody does who's watching this, that we're all sharing. This is the most unifying human experience, of going through all the different cycles of this change on almost a daily basis. Okay, at least that's true for me. And in the beginning, I struggled with this, right? That was the point, the Pixar point I was telling you. Like, I had so much judgment around the fact that I had this idea of who I was. And I was this cognitive dissonance about who I saw was showing up versus the story and the ego of who I thought I was. And then the judgment of that, which only made me hide more, right? So the gift that you gave me that I finally pulled myself out of is just the idea that trust is the currency. Trust is the new currency. And the way I'm going to get to that is just show up. It's not important that I know what the hell is going to happen next. I'm not going to be that prognosticator guy who's like, hey, and then have to owe up to that if I'm wrong. But what I am going to do is I'm going to stay vigilant. And I'm going to try to focus on the informational sources that I do try to trust and believe in, although those are getting thinner and thinner, it seems like, by the day. And just remain inside the central conversation of the unknown, because the truth is that that's where I'm at my best anyway. I'm most creative when necessity is requiring it. When things are easy and they kind of just fall into the okie doke and we were just doing the thing that got the thing that rang the bell, it's like, that's not where I'm alive. I'm at my best when it's hardest, when I'm challenged. And I got to believe that the one spirit of the other cats who are hanging out with us in Joe's tribe anyway, is that we share that common denominator. We share the personal growth, the personal development, the saying, okay, hey, yeah, it's not easy. We got to figure ourselves out first, oxygen mask on first. But then it's like, okay, find that groove, because the difference that we're going to make right now for the folks that are in our tribe, man, this is such an incredible opportunity to finally indemnify at a real depth that idea of relationship. When we come out of this, right, it's like, it ain't about the deals that you did. It's about how you showed up when it was really hard, because that's where character lives. And that's who I want to be when I don't want to be with the guy who's got the take. I just want to be the guy that was willing to show up. And you saw that and you felt that and you knew that. And that's what's going to transcend.